Good morning, children. This is Shoaib sir speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 14, that's about how big and how heavy. So far, we have completed till page number 194. And here is one a very good example that we all must know with the concepts of volume, how volumes can be expanded, how volumes can be calculated with some examples of with the help of some basic examples of three-dimensional shapes. So here in this video we are going to understand about some very important concept that's comes with question number 2 of chapter 14. So the question is, Anand made a big cube having double the side of your paper cube. How many of your paper cubes will fit into it? Try doing it by collecting all the cubes made in your class. So, children, it's about a very important concept. Anand made a small cube made up of paper. So, this is one paper cube which is made up of paper having all six faces. And suppose we are considering the measure of one side of this cube is having 5 centimeter. That is just for consideration, because it's not mentioned in the question that what is the measure of each side of the small cube. So we are just considering 5 centimeter. So the measure of the length is 5 centimeter, measure of the breadth is also be 5 centimeter, and measure of the height will also be 5 centimeter. Alright, so the measure of all three sides of 5 centimeter, 5 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. So children, it's very quite easy for us that we which I've already learned in the previous class, how to get the volume of a cube having all the dimensions. As we all know that the dimensions are same. So the volume of this cube, volume for this particular cube is equal to side into side into side. So the measure will be, children, it's 5 into 5 into 5. That's actually 5 5s are 25, 5 25s are 125 centimeter cube. Okay, so this the volume for this particular cube is 125 centimeter cube. Now what Anand did, Anand has tried one experiment. He made another cube made up of paper, just the double of the measure of the dimensions of the small cube. I mean to say, as the measure of all these dimensions are of 5 centimeters, so now Anand made another big size of cube which is having the dimensions is a double of the smaller one. Like all dimensions are of 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is also 10 centimeter. Now the question is how many such small cubes will be getting fitted into this bigger cube. Question is how many size of the smaller cubes will be fitted into this bigger cube. So children, it's absolutely simple. It's very simple. If we can calculate the volume of this small cube and the volume of the bigger cube, and the volume of the bigger cube is being divided by the volume of the smaller cube, we can easily get the answer. The number of cubes will be fitted into the bigger cube. Children, here you can see I have already calculated the volume of this smaller cube, which is 125 centimeter cube. Now my job is to calculate the volume of this bigger cube. Now let's we calculate the volume of the bigger cube. The smaller cube was 125, so the bigger cube will be 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 into 10 results 1000 centimeter cube. So the volume of the bigger cube is 1000 centimeter cube, and the volume of the smaller cube was 125 centimeter cube. Okay children, now the thing which we have to calculate, how many such small cubes will be fitted into this bigger cube. Therefore the number of cubes, smaller cubes will be fitted into the bigger cube is equal to 1000 divided by 125, because we are actually finding the number of cubes will be fitted into this bigger cube. So naturally, the volume of bigger cube should be divided by the volume of the smaller cube. So I'm going to cancel it out. It will be 8. 8 125s are 1000. So number of cubes will be fitted into this bigger cube is 8 cubes. That is only the answer. Children, I believe it was very simple to calculate. So using this concept, we can find any number of cubes will be fitted in comparison between two different sized cubes. It can be of not only about cube, it can be with cuboid as well. So like it's very simple. It's really very simple to calculate. Just by dividing, we can get the answer. Here in the next part of this page is about packing cubes. Ganesh and Dinga want to pack 4000 centimeters cubes in boxes. These are to be sent to school. There are 3 different boxes available for packing. Okay, so children, here as we can see, we are given 3 different size of cuboids having all dimensions given. So in the first one, as we can see, the length is 20, breadth is 10, and height is 6. So we can simply calculate its volume. 20 into 10 into 6. So that's going to be 200 into 6. It will be 1200 centimeter cube. We can easily get the volume of the first one. Second one is 11 into 11 into 10. So 11 11s are 121 into 10 results 1210 centimeter cube. The volume of the second one of the B. And C is 15 into 9 into 10. So that's going to be 150 into 9 results 1350 centimeter cube. So naturally, it's quite understandable. The third cuboidal box can store more number of items inside of it as the volume is greater. So I believe it's clear. Now your part of job is to draw the diagram, to draw the figure, and to calculate the volume of all these 3 diagrams clearly. And please do submit the work in the Google Classroom positively. Till then, thank you so much. See you all tomorrow. Bye-bye. Take care.